Big John's Tree Service has been providing full-service tree care services to the Jackson, Mississippi Metro for over 30 years. Big John's Tree Service is a locally owned and operated company and is proud to call the Jackson, Mississippi Metro home. We specialize in tree removal, tree trimming, and pruning. Our dedicated expert staff and specialized equipment make sure we can get your residential or commercial job done safely, efficiently, and competitively. Call us today at 601-941-7773 or visit www.bigjohnstree.com.